This is a tutorial for how to create pages for the translocal network database as part of our Wikithon workshop. So first of all, you need to create your account, or you can access the Media Wiki either by using a guest account, which we will provide you the information on, or you can optionally request us to create your own account on the Media Wiki. So these are the options. So let's start. I'm here on the Wiki on Sustainable Just Cities main page, as you can see. And first, let's go to the instructions page. So here on the upper right panel, you will see this search function. I'll add instructions, and it shows this page. Instructions for creating a page for the database. I'll click on it, and here you will find all these steps that I'm going to go through in this tutorial. Here below, you'll see the descriptions on different sections on the form. So if you are unsure what you should add to the page, then just check here on the instructions. Okay, so let us begin. We have created this Wikithon form for creating pages, which you can find here either in the left panel, where it says Wikithon form, or here in the instructions. It is linked here, filling in this form. So I will click here. Okay, now we need to add the name of the network to this text box. So I'll add it here, network. And I'll add number 1 here because I've already created this page before. So this is just to show you how to do it. Okay, so now I'm going to click create. Here you will find all the different sections. So description, societal problem, societal domain, basic aim of the network, contribution, as well as where to find more information. And here you can also add the research questions. So if you want to contribute to our research agenda about translocal networking, then please add your question here. The last one is entry done by. So who has done this entry? It can be one or multiple people. Okay, so let us begin. I'll add a little bit of information. So add information from the web page, for example, of the network in question. Okay, so this is enough for now. I'll go here below. On this summary text box, you can just add, for example, added a new network, but it's not necessary. But you have to click here, save page, in order to save and create the page. So now we see the Sustainable Food Places 1 page. It is created. If you want to add more information or edit the text, go here to the upper panel where it says edit with form. So I'm going to click here, and now I'm feeling lazy, so I'm not going to add anything new here, but I'm going to need some ego recognition, so I'm going to add my name. But I'm going to save it here again, and now I have created my page. If I now would want to create a new page, I would again go to the left panel where it says Wikithon form, click here and add a name of another network.